Hello kids, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will learn about singular and plural. My dear children, singular means one. It would be a person, a place, an animal, or anything. Here we have some examples of singular. One boy, a zoo, a tiger, bicycle. Now look at these pictures. These all are plurals. Plural means more than one. Here we have two boys, two places, two monkeys, and four balloons. These all are plurals. But remember, we always add s to make the word plural. Now, learn more about singular and plural through some pictures. One cup, many cups. As you can see, we have added s to make the plural of cup. Cup, cups. Tree, trees. One tree, many trees. Bag, bags. Singular is bag and plural is bags. Bee, bees. One bee, three bees. Flower, flowers. One flower, more than one are flowers. Balloon, balloons. One balloon, five balloons. Bug, bugs. One bucket, four buckets. One book, many books. One table, three tables. Chair, chairs. One pencil, six pencils. One owl, three owls. I hope you like this video. Thank you.